so we just finished.
This is us after hour and a half walking.
So we barely survived the museum. It was really extremely interesting, as all museums are, right?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna get something to eat.
Great time.
Peyton, you gotta like.
Yeah, that was awesome.
So we're at this Arabian house. We got a budget of 130, right? Or something like that. It looks pretty decent. I think we won't get like food poisoning yet. We're segregated into 2 tables. And now we gotta figure out what to eat. Yeah.
Check it out.
All right, go on.
Very good. That's awesome.
So we just finished lunch, right? How was the food?
It was pretty good. Pretty good.
Wait, Nathan, how did you like your food? No, we gotta keep. You have to get in the video.
It was like a 7.5, I would say.
7.5 out of 10.
Yeah, out of 10.
Dean.
7.5 is fair.
7.5. Okay, well, yeah, good enough. We didn't get food poison.
Not yet.
Hopefully, yeah, we'll see tonight. So now we're going to the
Rain room.
rain room. Yeah. I don't know. I guess it's a thing in Dubai. They have rain.
on.
Yeah, so I guess it's cool. We'll see you there, right? That's how they say it.
Yeah.
Rain room. Oh shit. It's a rain room. It's a rain room, but like
There's rain.
No, it is stopping, but like it's leaving.
yeah, it's still dripping. Yeah. So we just finished with the rain room.
This is the only rain that you're gonna get in
Dubai,
year,
here,
half month.
We got some good pictures, yeah?
So you can check the pictures on our Instagram. We will,
Yeah, a link in bio.
bio.
And yeah, that's it.
Follow the rule.
We were patient.
Oh yes, this is what I was waiting for.
Celebration for our comeback.
Wow. I don't need the background music. This is like, this is it. Say bye to the vlog.
You guys got juice?